G'day weirdos of YouTube. I'm going to do a quick walk around of my bike while we're here. I got flies. There's been one fella in the comments, out of all 3 people that comment, harassing me for a walk around of the bike and a bit of a look at the, I guess, the colour schemes and the decals of the black 2026 model. So here we go. This is 2026 CFMoto 450 MT in the black livery. Part of the livery we have the CFMoto logo in that kind of bronzy gold, and then just the MT 450 logoing there as well. We have the KYB sticker, the shocks there, and then for the things that I've done on the bike, we'll start at the top and we'll work our way down. Up top, we've done a rally tower. I don't know if you can see it very well there. Not the rally tower as per such. We've got, let's wind that up so we can see it, a mounting point for the quad lock to sit on. AliExpress. We've got the quad lock on the vibration mount. 40 centimetre tall screen, just to try and reduce the wind. Moving over here, we have proper bark busters, WPS with the little doodad attachment there to, I don't know what that does. Moving down from there, we've got upper and lower crash bars. Now there are videos of me installing those. That was an absolute prick of a time. Over here we've got adhesive tank grippers, just so that we can, have a bit more traction between the legs when we're gripping with our knees when the going gets tough. We have a genuine CFMoto rally seat. Unfortunately, at the time they didn't have any of the grey ones, so we do have a pink stripe. But if that ever gives me the shits, I will just colour it in, I guess. Underneath the panniers, can't see it very well there, maybe under here, we've got the pannier rack for the bags. That just stops them from folding in on the bike. It looks really nice. When the bags aren't on there, it looks nice. When the bags are on, it works really well. You keep walking around the bike so that old mate can have a good hard look at it. Down here we've got a back plate, AliExpress. We did have a AliExpress slip-on muffler, but that turned out to be a piece of shit, so I got rid of it. Didn't like how it sounded. And then the last thing that we've done are the tyres. We've got the Midas Enduro Trail XT Plus front and rear. Opted going a 140/80/18 on the rear, opposed to the 140/70 that the manufacturer comes out with. Yeah, there we are. For one more round of the bike. Loving it, and an absolutely fantastic bike so far. In saying that, we've only done 1,000 kilometres. We're all loaded up for a bit of a trip. The next couple of days I was out for a bit of a shakedown ride. See how it all goes. We're out here looking at some wind farms. There you go, old mate. I hope you're happy with that. It's a good look at the bike. Yes, I see your comments every time. I'm a busy man, I work, I've been sick. This YouTube thing is just something I do for shits and gigs on the side. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed a look at my 2026 CFMoto MT450.